here's some of the stuff we're gonna use to redo the roof. Got some stuff to take off any of the loose Dicor that won't come off. Some patching tape in case I need it. A bunch of Scotch-Brite pads. Everybody knows what this is, the Dicor Tape. Yeah, so I'm out here on a beautiful Labor Day weekend, and I'm fooling around with busted skylights from the hailstorm. But that's all right. It's all right. I'm glad to get out, glad to do some work on the RV and improve some things. So I totally forgot there was actually a fan in this one. I should have ordered 2 fan units along with a regular skylight, but no biggie, no biggie. We need to get the skylight in. Biggest thing I'm concerned about is all this Flex Seal stuff. It's really sticky, but it cracked, so it didn't really form that much of a seal, to be honest with you. So I got to remove all that and get that all off of the aluminum so that I can prep it for the RV coating that's going to go on it. Made by Dicor as well. No affiliation. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to continue to clean these up. I got 2 more to do, as you can see, and an AC unit install. I may do these on separate videos. Not too sure yet. We'll see how long these things go. And I'll try to work and not talk so much. You can see, you know, this is definitely due for some work here. All this cracking. This is the Flex Seal, and honestly, I'm not a big fan of it over the long term. And you can certainly see all the fleeping dents all over the place. And I had thought my Dometic cap, fridge cap vent did okay, but no, I took a hit. So, I mean, I've got the pieces there. I may take the cover off and show you how to fix that, because I don't think I'm going to wait on trying to order another one of these caps. Yep, here's one skylight with all the nice old tacky Dicor on it. But we're gonna actually shim these up a little bit and get these so they're still the high points. So I've got a bunch of shims. We're gonna get them in here and we're gonna glue them in. And we're gonna make sure that this new skylight has a high ground. Just wanted to give folks an idea of what one of these new ones was going to look like on the roof. See, it's not metal, it's heavy gauge plastic. I got a bunch of my shims. I got a bunch of my great stuff with pest block, just in case there's any kind of ants or something to try to get through here. So we've got several layers. We've got this kind of light foam fiberboard layer and a couple of layers of plywood in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put shims below that foam layer, and I usually do it with cedar shingles, to be honest with you. This is didn't have any, and they're darned expensive, so we're going to put shims around here, leave little gaps in between, not huge, and then I'm going to take this stuff here and spray it in, and I'm going to put this plastic bag down there so it doesn't get all over my cushions. Okay, so we got the shims all in, all around the perimeter, and now I'm going to start shooting in this stuff.
Three hours later.
Right, there we go. Looks pretty good. This has all been cleaned off. Got ourselves a skylight, fixed skylight in. Now on to the other ones. Should be interesting. Anyways, I'm not going to bore you with the other two installs. We'll have this here and then we'll jump onto the AC.